guys, we're watching security camera from Project Zorgo headquarters right now. Chad is pretending to be the leader of Project Zorgo, but the real leader showed up.
Easy one. Take care of this imposter. Finish him.
They're asking Daniel to beat up Chad.
Dan, you're undercover right now. Just hit Chad.
Okay. Alright. Sorry, Chad.
Ooh. Chad's gonna be okay.
Yeah. He's a tough guy.
And now, unmask this imposter to reveal their identity.
Oh no, they're gonna unmask Chad.
Oh no.
We're gonna get found out.
What do we do? What do we do?
It's the spy ninja, Chad Wildclay.
Wow. Chad!
Take the imposter to one of our oxygen-controlled Teslas.
Yeah, Chad, you need to be taught a lesson. Let's get you in that Tesla.
They're gonna put Chad in an oxygen-controlled Tesla? How is that different from the regular Tesla?
Oh gosh, this is even worse. They're gonna trap Chad in a Tesla, so that means he can run out of oxygen.
We have to go to the headquarters and save Chad right now.
Come on, Chad. Into the Tesla you go.
Just don't hurt me, Daniel.
Come on.
Great job, easy one.
Daniel.
All right, get in there. Get in there and stay in there.
Don't worry, Chad. You're gonna be okay. Me and Regina are watching me on the spy pen. We're gonna get you out, okay?
Doing a good job, Daniel.
Keep pretending I hate you.
I hate you, Daniel.
You stay in there, man. I hope I never see you again.
Your duty here is now done. Now go for your lie detector test. They're waiting on you.
I'll go back to the headquarters right now. Bye-bye.
We gotta get to the headquarters quickly, you guys. Whoa. Regina, what? Look, is that a hacker right there?
I think so. I mean, I can't see too closely. Oh, yes, I see a mask.
Oh my gosh.
There's only one hacker. You could take him down, right? You've taken many hackers down.
Should we go and confront him?
Yeah, you go ahead. You can do it.
Okay.
Yeah, hacker.
Oh, wait,
It's me.
Daniel?
Oh my gosh, girl. Thank goodness you guys are here. I don't know what to do. I think they're on to me. They're gonna hook me up to a lie detector test. They're gonna find out that I'm a big phony.
Oh no, Daniel.
And then they told me to put Chad in this Tesla and lock him in there.
Well, where's the Tesla right now? Where's Chad?
I'll text you guys the location of it. You
Okay.
you save him somehow, okay?
Yeah, we will.
Okay.
I can't be seen with you guys. I gotta go.
Okay, go.
All right, go. Come on, Regina. According to this GPS, we're getting close.
It is getting harder to breathe. I can tell there's less oxygen in here now. The seals on the doors must be airtight, restricting oxygen from the outside from getting in. There's a hacker guarding the car. Hey, hacker, let me out of here. Come on, hacker. Let me out. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna use my hands to push my biceps bigger and look really tough. Yeah, you won't be tough when V flips you over on your back. I can't hear anything you're saying, buddy. Wait, where's he going? He's leaving. It looks like the hacker who was guarding the Tesla's gone. Well, this is good. Maybe this gives me an opportunity to escape out of here.
Oh, wait, look at that car. Hide behind the trash can, hide.
Look at that red car right there.
Oh my gosh.
The windows are broken.
I have a feeling that Zorgo has something to do with that broken car.
Let's go check it out very carefully.
Okay. Do you see anything?
Nothing. Okay, so there's no hackers in here.
Oh, I wonder if I can roll down any of the windows. Come on, roll down window. Darn it. Come on. Let me out of here. It's locked. I'll push up my foot. It's not letting me out. I gotta take deep, slow breaths. I don't know how much oxygen's gonna be left in this car. Let me see if there's anything back here. I see something back here, guys. Let me see if I can reach it. Look what I found. Yeah, this is definitely a Project Zorgo Tesla, that's for sure. What is this? Guys, look up there by that red car. That's me and Regina. How can I, wait, I know, I got an idea. The horn. I'll push the horn and that'll alert them. 3, 2, 1, honk.
Is it that car right there?
I think
that's
so.
honking at us?
Yeah. Do you think the hackers are in there? We should hide.
It heard it. Why are they hiding? No, I'm over here. Maybe they think I'm a hacker in this car or something. If I keep honking, they might just scare them away. I hope they come investigate.
It looks like a Tesla. Wait a minute.
What?
That's the Model S.
Really?
Yeah, that's a Tesla Model S. Do you think Chad is in that Tesla? Does Project Zorgo have all the Tesla models?
They had the Model 3, the Model S, and they tried to steal your Model X.
It must be Chad, right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Stay low.
Remember to stay low.
Be careful. Check the front seat. Okay. Is anyone in there?
I don't see anyone in the front seat.
You see anyone, V?
Chad! Chad! Oh my gosh!
You guys get me out of here, the doors are locked.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try.
Watch out, there might be a hacker around here. There was a hacker guarding the car earlier.
Okay. The hacker might come back, so we have to be careful. Did you find anything?
I found a hacker mask inside this car.
Okay.
All right, Chad, since I'm the Tesla expert, can you try to go to the control panel and unlock the door?
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna try to go to the control panel. Let me climb up here. Okay. Here's the control panel. Quick controls. Unlock. Shoot, it's not unlocking. I pressed unlock.
Oh no, it's not working. It's still locked. What? It's not working, Chad. Try the child lock. Is there a child lock function?
Boom.
Oh, that came out. Okay, Chad.
Okay.
The handles come out. So, well, it's still not working. What? It's not working. Let's try the other side.
Oh no!
It's not working.
Chad's gonna be stuck in there, and the oxygen. It's losing oxygen. Wait, okay, what else can we do? The handles are out now. Oh wait, I think I have an idea. Do you have rope in your Spy Ninja backpack?
I do.
Thank goodness for your Spy Ninja backpack.
Yes, I know. Oh, here's some rope.
So I'm gonna tie a knot on the scooter. I'm gonna tie a knot to the handle. Okay, do you see where I'm going with this?
Yes.
I'm gonna try to break off the door. If I go fast enough, like zoom, it'll just... You know what I'm saying?
Yes, I know what you're saying.
Okay.
All right, let's do it. Are you ready, Regina?
I think so.
You don't look too confident.
I don't know about this.
I'm gonna back up just in case. 3, 2, 1, go!
That was a terrible idea. I'm never doing that again.
Okay, yeah, that didn't work too well. We should have calculated your weight versus the Tesla's weight and the inertia of the scooter. That wasn't gonna work. Hey.
Science, I don't know.
Wait a second. Is this a security camera? I think this is a security camera. There's like a little dot right here. Oh, there's not much oxygen left. I don't know what Project Zorgo's trying to do.
Oh no, V, he's running out of time.
I know.
Chad is like, he doesn't look too good right now.
No, okay, we gotta put our heads together. What should we do?
Like this?
Yeah, closer.
Do you have any ideas?
Oh my gosh. What other spy gadgets do we have?
Well, Chad found a hacker mask in there.
The hacker mask? Yeah. You know what that does? It makes a high-pitched sound whenever it comes close to stainless steel. And then you can break the glass on the door.
Oh, like when opera singers go like... Yeah. But wait, V, we don't have stainless steel.
But we do.
Whoa, what's
These
that?
are chopsticks, Regina. Stainless steel chopsticks.
You carry chopsticks on you?
Oh yeah, I love soup. This fall round, I'm ready for it, man. Let's try this out. Okay, Chad, hold up the mask.
All right, let's do this.
Oh, it's working. Oh my gosh, it's working. Oh my gosh, so high. Oh my gosh.
It's not breaking though.
Oh, it's working. Oh my gosh.
It hurts. Get away from the feet.
It's not working. Oh my gosh, that didn't work.
Oh, no.
I think we need way more stainless steel in this to make any kind of impact.
Should we get more chopsticks?
Gosh, we would need like 1,000,000 chopsticks. I don't think Amazon Prime can deliver that fast.
Maybe Chad has ideas.
Okay, it's not working.
Okay, guys, I don't know. I think the only thing we can really do, maybe grab a big rock or something sharp and just break this window open. Yes, so grab a rock. Oh no. Get down, there's a hacker. Get down. There's a hacker over here.
Okay,
Do you see the hacker anywhere?
the hacker's way back there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, maybe we should just go up to the hacker and confront him to let Chad go, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe he has the key to the Tesla or
Yeah,
something.
and if not, you could use your skills.
Yes,
you know?
yes, my Spy Ninja skills. It's getting serious. I gotta take off my coat. Ready to confront him?
Yeah, you got this, V. Go, V. Go.
Yeah! If you have the keys to the Tesla where Chad is, give it to me right now.
No.
Yeah! Give me the keys! Give me the keys,
I
hacker!
don't have it.
Where are the keys?
I don't have it.
No, nothing in your pockets!
No.
What is this? A stinking note? Where is it?
I don't have
Where are
it.
the keys?
I don't have it.
He doesn't have the keys? What is going on? Just a note?
Come on, run. Let's go. What does the clue say?
Okay, it says, on top of the car are ninja stars.
What? Stars?
Yeah.
Perfect. Remember when Chad said we'd just break him out of there? We can throw the ninja stars at the glass to break him open.
On top of the car. Let me see. I mean, I can't see like the top of the car. Regina, you try. You're taller than me.
I can't see. I can't even reach to the middle of it.
Really?
I thought it was tall.
Oh my gosh. I have an idea. Yeah. I can climb on top of it.
Whoa, V!
V, how'd you get up there? I'm not sure what she's doing, guys. She must be trying to get me out of here. Good work, V.
Oh my gosh.
It's all glass up here. Chad! Oh my gosh, I can see Chad in here.
Do you see anything?
There's like all these cracks.
What?
Come look. There's a little compartment here. Okay, what's in there?
Anything in there? What does that do?
There's like a little screw right here to like install something in. Okay.
Yeah, let's check if there's more. V!
Come over here.
Oh, okay. You're like a human car wash.
Oh my gosh, I'm giving Project Zorgo a free car wash right now. What is this? Another one? Yeah. Nothing.
No.
Nothing. It's slippery. Okay, let's check this one. It's a clue.
So there weren't ninja stars, but there's a clue?
Oh, they're coordinates, Regina.
Yeah, that must be where the ninja stars are, right?
Oh, that must be.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Chad, we're gonna break you out with the ninja stars.
We're gonna save you, boy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get out of here.
Come on, get me out of here. I think she's gonna do it, guys.
All right, we don't have enough time, Regina.
Yeah.
Chad's oxygen level is running low. Let's go get that ninja star so we can break out Chad.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Are we getting close?
Like about 10 more feet here, right around here.
It could be anywhere. Remember they buried Chad's ninja gadgets? We have to check everywhere.
Yeah,
they don't have metal detectors on us.
Let's split up so we can cover more ground.
Okay.
V and Regina, they're going to get something sharp, something maybe a rock or something to break this window open. I hope they hurry up. I think I only have a couple minutes left. There's not much oxygen in here.
Okay guys, let me know in the comments below if you see anything that might look like a ninja stars or any kind of spy gadgets, okay? Jeez, there's a lot of broken glass around here. Maybe I'm getting close. Maybe the ninja stars are around. Wait. Shh. Watch. Oh my gosh. There's the hacker. He's breaking sticks?
The oxygen, it's so low. I'm feeling really tired. Is this what happens when you run out of oxygen? Does it make you feel sleepy?
All right, guys, the hacker's right around there. That means there's probably a spy gadget, something right around here. They're probably looking for the exact same thing, or he might be burying it. So let's go follow that hacker. What's he doing? He's digging for something? He's trying to practice his ninja moves? Oh, that was really bad. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, I would put that down too. Oh, he's heading towards his way. Shh. Wait a minute. Look at that. I think that's the ninja gadget he's looking for. Oh gosh, I have to grab that ninja gadget before he does. Oh, hey, wait, no, let go. Let go.
You guys can see the security camera, please hurry. There's not much time left. I think I just need to conserve my oxygen and just rest.
Yeah, just run away. I don't want to have to hurt you with this. Oh my gosh. Yeah! I have an extendable bowl staff too. Yeah! Back up. Okay, yeah, that's right. All right, guys, I got the ninja gadget. Let's go save Chad! Regina, I got the extendable bow staff. We can break him out with this. Okay.
Right, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do this.
All right.
Wait. Oh my gosh.
What happened?